Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel St. Xavier School Hardoi. I am Priyanka Singh, your SST teacher, going to teach you our new chapter. Before start our chapter, if you are our new viewer, please subscribe our channel, press on bell icon, like my video, share to your friends. So let's start our chapter. Now, which picture is this? Yes, this is our universe. Okay, in our universe, so many stars, so many planets, so many galaxies are there. In these galaxies, one galaxy is very much important. That is our Milky Way, in which our solar system is present. Okay, in our solar system, many things are there, right? Many planets, many asteroids, many comets, so many things are there, as you can see it out over here. These are what? These are meteoroids, which are floating in our space, which are floating in our universe. Okay, and in between our planets. This is our solar system. Okay, in the middle it's our sun. Okay, so sun is the center of our solar system, and all the planets, all the meteoroids, comets are revolving around the sun. Okay, now our first planet is our Mercury, as you can see it out. Then second planet is Venus, then Earth, then Mars, then Jupiter, after that Saturn, then Uranus, and last one is Neptune. Do you know, till the 2006 it was 9 planet, that was a Pluto, but after 2006 that Pluto is declared as a dwarf planet, means as a dead planet. Okay, now till the date we are having only what? How many planets? It's only 8 planets. What is this? This is our sun, a very hot ball. Okay, and do you know it is the source of light? Yes, because of sun all the planets got light. Okay, sun is the also a star. It is situated in center of our earth, in center of our solar system. Okay, due to the sun, earth having life. Okay, and it is also known as hot ball. Okay, now which planet is this? This is Mercury. Okay, it is the closest planet of our solar system, means all of our sun. It's take 87.97 days to complete one revolve around the sun. Okay, it is smaller than Earth's moon. Okay, now the next planet is, which planet is this? This is Venus. Okay, the second planet of our solar system. Okay, it is also just look like our our Earth. Okay, that's why it's also known as a Earth's sister planet. Okay, it's also known as a morning star and the evening star. And do you know, Venus is the planet who revolve in a backward direction, means over here sunrise from the west and set at the east. Okay, and it's not having any moon or ring. Now which planet is this? This is our Earth, right? Our Earth. From the space it's look like blue. Okay, and do you know it's a third planet from the solar system, and just because of suitable temperature, suitable atmosphere or oxygen, water, life is possible on our Earth. And do you know it is the 5th largest planet in our solar system. It's having only one satellite, that is moon. Which planet is this? This is Mars, right? A red planet. It's a 4th planet of our solar system and the second smallest planet in the solar system, right? And it's approximately, its landmass look like of our Earth. That's why scientists always look around, to try to search on Mars, means so that human can live over there. Okay, now which planet is this? Such a big planet. It's a Jupiter. Okay, it's also a largest planet of our solar system. Just because it is made up of gases, that's why it's known as giant gas. Okay, and the great red spot is made of huge storm on Jupiter, means many storms are coming on this Jupiter, and the Jupiter's moon Ganymede is the largest moon in our solar system. Which planet is this? This is Saturn. Very beautiful planet. Okay, means in this planet you can see the ring. It's the sixth planet of our solar system and the second largest planet of our solar system. It consists 62 moons and 7 flat rings around it. Okay, and it's take 29.46 Earth year to complete one revolution around the sun. Means very beautiful planet. Okay, and you can from the naked eyes you can see it out this planet, but its ring you cannot see it out. Good. Now the next planet is Uranus. Uranus is the seventh planet of our solar system. Uranus takes one around the sun every 84 Earth years, and Uranus is often referred as a ice giant planet. Means it's a very ice one, and the reason behind it, it's so far from the Earth. Okay. Now the next planet is our Neptune. Okay, Neptune is the eighth planet of our solar system, and it's a very small gas giant. A year on Neptune lasts 165 Earth years, and Neptune has 6 faint rings. Means you cannot see it rings around the Neptune, but yes, on the Neptune also rings are present. Okay. Now the next planet was our Pluto. That is, I already told you in the starting of our video that till 2006 we had how many planets? 9 planets. But after that it declared that Pluto become a dwarf planet. Okay.